Hello and good morning. Welcome to Mindfulness with Micah, presented by Balance First Workshops. Today, we are going to be, as we can say, breathing in the rainbow. We're going to look at chakras and the rainbow of energy that is around us. So I invite you to sit in a comfortable seated position. Good job. So maybe crossing your legs. If you feel comfortable to, you can maybe close your eyes or even lower your gaze, just so you can hear my voice, but be in your own little bubble. Good job. There you go. You can adjust the camera a bit. Beautiful. So finding a comfortable position, maybe rock from side to side a little bit. Good. And just begin with breathing in for about 3 seconds, even extend it a bit more. And exhaling slowly. Breathing in. And exhaling. One more time, breathing in. And exhaling. Good. Just that little breath helps us to settle down a little bit more. And so today, as I said, we're going to imagine the rainbow of energy that's around us and within us. So we're going to start from the ground today, imagining that every point of contact that we have with the ground, our body is sprouting roots, going down into the earth. Imagine these roots are going deeper and deeper down, helping us to ground, helping to settle us. Any anxious energy or anything that doesn't serve you, just let it drift down into the earth. Let Mother Earth recycle that energy. You can even imagine that these roots are a beautiful red color. Beautiful. That's right, you can close your eyes if you feel comfortable to. Breathing in and breathing out, sending all that energy down into the roots, connecting with Mother Earth. And on your next breath in, let that energy and awareness drift up a little bit. Just below your belly button, perhaps. You can even put your hand there if you'd like to. And just breathe in. And as you exhale, imagine that there's a beautiful orange radiant color swirling around here in your stomach. And I want you to imagine all the beautiful creativity that is within you. What do you love to create? Do you love to paint? Do you love to write? Do you love to sing? How do you love to express yourself? And just take a moment tapping into that creative part of yourself. So you breathe in and you breathe out. Just let that creation, that creative force radiate throughout your entire body. And on the next deep breath in, let your awareness drift up to your stomach. You can even touch your stomach if you'd like, to your solar plexus. And just visualize a beautiful sunshine yellow, like a big ball of fiery sunshine yellow swirling in your stomach. And I want you to imagine what makes you feel powerful and strong. What you like, what you don't like. Imagine those boundaries strong and firm around you. Feel like that little goddess within, or little god if you're watching this on YouTube. So I just have goddesses with me today. And on the next deep breath in, let all your awareness drift to your heart center. And imagine a beautiful forest green light radiating from your heart all the way down your shoulders, to your elbows, to your tips of your fingers. And just think about all the things you love most in this world. Your friends, your family, your pet, yourself. So important to love yourself each and every day. So send that love out to everyone around the world. And then bring that love back to yourself. Like you're hugging yourself, wrapped up in a cocoon of warmth and love. On the next deep breath in, let your awareness drift to your throat chakra. See a beautiful, vibrating blue, like the sky. Maybe we can take a big breath in and maybe do a little hum. And feel the beautiful vibration that you create. And as you breathe out, just let everything clear, which is blocked or just doesn't serve you. Any words that have been left unsaid, and just send it out. Release it. And how do you love to express yourself? Do you love to sing? Do you say, I love you to the people you love? Big breath in, and as you exhale, let all your awareness drift up to your third eye. See a beautiful indigo color, and let's just allow this color to completely circle around you, protecting you, opening up your perception. Do you listen to your intuition, that little voice within that gives you maybe creative ideas or gives you a hunch of what to do? Connecting with that will help us to stay safe and protected. The next deep breath in, maybe we can even stretch up as we connect to our crown and all that is. Beautiful. Imagine a beautiful, radiant violet light, maybe even a white light too. And imagine as we breathe in and we breathe out that this beautiful light is coming from our crown and surrounding us all over. Breathing in and breathing out and encapsulating you, the beautiful, radiant cocoon of all the colors that you just breathed in today. Bringing your hands back to our heart center. Just giving thanks for this day, giving thanks to be able to have this practice together. And we're going to have our mindful minute here where we can maybe just close our eyes and take a quiet moment to just be still and just to breathe in all those beautiful colors within. Maybe close your eyes. And just take a few deep breaths. Being still and quiet. Very well done. And to all of my friends who are joining me on YouTube, thank you for joining us today, and namaste. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll do my check-in with my Zoom friends now. Take care and much love.